What's up, y'all? Welcome back. If you are already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join the family. And if you're new here, what's up? So today we're going to a bunch of different food trucks. I'm gonna show y'all what we get, what they have, and I'm gonna rate them 1 to 10 with y'all. I'm in the bathroom, about to get ready to go. So we'll see y'all when we get there. You don't want to say hi? Anyway, look at Zion. No, silly butt. The devil. Don't swap him in his head. So you get what you. Oh, look at these cute Nike sweat. You ready to go up here? Look at her, gotta get us. Don't move. Oh, my purse getting stuck. Look. Look at her. Look at my sister. She got a lot of ASS. Y'all see that? Look how that's moving in them pants. Yeah, these people don't need. About to see what PacSun got. They got 50% off. Come on. I feel like I want me some like sweat shorts and stuff. This is cute. What are these jean shorts? Oh, they got this long, pretty little dress. So, come on. Oh, this little one piece. You had a little one piece. Yeah, this one, girl. Oh, this color is so cute. Look at Desire. What you say? What? Why they don't have kid stuff? Yeah, like this. Uh-huh. Like a cute little tank. Victorian Beach. You know. You like that? Oh, that color. Yeah, that's cute. You like that color? The camera ain't doing it justice. Look at the little mermaid. This camera is not doing this color no justice for real, y'all. Like the short set. Come on. Look at this little boy. That's cute. For a little spring because it be kind of chilly, but not all. So you can wear the shorts. And they got this navy blue with the navy blue shorts. It won't kind of match though because this is ash and this is dark. Look at this one, wild child. You look like a dude. You look like a teacher. Look at me, Deborah. No, them girl ones. They all girl ones. Put them on. Put them on. Let me see. Look at Miss Desire. Look at Danilo. Because Deborah said, I got a little baby. Get in the middle, not gonna put it back. They got everything. We got some roasted corn. Some ice creams. That's it. Walking tacos. A whole bunch of stuff down there. It's a burger food truck. Patty Matters. Sushi. Turn around, Denver. Roll. We got some Landwehr Deli. Oh, there's a lot of people out here too. We got different little stuff. They got T-Mobile out here. Y'all better come get y'all T-Mobile. They got a lot of stuff out here. Got some burrito tacos. I'm gonna put a picture of the place. I'm gonna rate it 1 to 5. 1 to 10. Let's see, y'all. I have time. Wait, baby. I'll give it like a 4, 4.5. Look at this good stuff they got, y'all. Oh, Mary Poppins. They got Dinger Hopper. They got Little Mermaid. They got a lot of little stuff they selling too. We're gonna see what this. All the way down there, y'all. All these people selling little stuff.